Ever found yourself tired of the tedious chore of cleaning windows? Well, fret not, because the market has heard your sighs of exasperation. Enter the window cleaning robots for home, a modern solution to an age-old problem. These little marvels first graced the market a few years ago, but it's in 2024 that they truly come into their own. I have listed 5 best options for you to consider, each equipped with features to make your window cleaning woes a thing of the past. From automated navigation to powerful suction capabilities, these robots are here to make your life easier. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So sit back, relax, and let technology do the hard work for you. Number 5. Hut W8. It is my top choice for best advanced features window cleaning robot for home. Equipped with dual spray nozzles, it offers a wet wiping experience. With self-regulating suction power, it adjusts according to dirt levels. The AI navigation provides 3 cleaning paths for efficient cleaning. Triple anti-falling protection ensures safety. Easy operation with voice prompts simplifies usage. Suitable for vertical surfaces with specified conditions. Offers 30 days free return and 12 months warranty for assurance. Number 4. Ecovacs WinBot W1 Pro. It is the best app control window cleaning robot for home. With 2,800 pascal suction power, it frees your hands from window cleaning. The cross-spray technology ensures effective stain removal. Safety is a priority with a non-slip drive system and protection against power failure. WinSlam 3.0 offers thorough cleaning in adaptive modes. Edge detection makes frameless glass cleaning effortless. A 60 ml reservoir reduces the need for frequent refills. Plus, it automatically returns to its starting point after cleaning. Number 3. Fmart T8 SE. Looking for the best reliable window cleaning robot for home? This smart cleaning device is designed for convenience and efficiency. With its double-disc twisting mechanism, it effectively cleans windows with a glass frame thickness greater than 3 millimeters. The machine's powerful suction and torque ensure a thorough cleaning experience, reducing the hassle of tedious cleaning tasks. Equipped with a 3,800 PA suction power, it adjusts its cleaning intensity according to the dirt on the glass surface. The remote control feature allows easy operation, even for the elderly. Safety is ensured with a climbing safety rope and an embedded UPS system, providing double protection against accidents and power outages. For optimal performance, charge the robot for 3 hours before first use and securely attach it to the glass surface. With a 365-day warranty and responsive customer support, you can rely on assistance for any issues encountered. Simplify your window cleaning routine with this efficient and user-friendly robot. Number 2. Alphabot X8. I recommend this as the best for compact design window cleaning robot for home. It comes in a sleek white color and weighs only 1.36 kilograms. With dual water spray, it covers all directions efficiently. The self-adjustable suction feature automatically varies suction levels to tackle different stains effectively. Utilizing voice assistance, it's easy to start and troubleshoot. The visible 50 ml water tank ensures you know when it's time to refill. It intelligently detects window frames, making it suitable for framed or unframed glass. Offering 3 auto-cleaning modes and manual control for spot cleaning, it adapts to various cleaning needs. With upgraded cleaning pads, it leaves windows spotless and streak-free. Number 1. Tosima W3 Window Cleaning Robot. And this is my top pick for the best overall window cleaning robot for home on our list. It's a black robot that vacuums and is powered by a lithium-ion battery. The W3 features dual-direction auto spray, effectively cleaning dirt and smudges from windows. It boasts a triple safety system, including anti-drop sensors and edge detection, ensuring a worry-free cleaning experience. With smart navigation technology, it optimizes its cleaning path for efficient results. Plus, the remote control adds convenience, allowing operation from a distance. Suitable for various smooth surfaces like glass doors and mirrors, it's versatile for home or office use. Each unit comes with 12 cleaning rags, ensuring an ample supply for multiple sessions. So there you have it, your guide to the best window cleaning robots for your home in 2024. Don't let those streaks ruin your view any longer. With these handy helpers, sparkling windows are just a button away. Ready to get yours? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Let's keep those windows shining bright.